Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect ASUS ROG Ally to monitor. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content and watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. If you want to connect ASUS ROG Ally to monitor, then here you will see. The ROG Ally was designed to be an extra portable handheld gaming machine that can transform into whether you need to any given moment. Want to throw your games up on the big screen and play with friends. All you need is a USB-C to HDMI dock that can charge the Ally at the same time, like the ROG 65W gaming charger dock or one of our XG mobile external GPUs. We will be using the 65W gaming charger dock for the purpose of this guide. But if you are using an XD mobile, the steps will be similar. You will just want to check to get it up and running, then come back here for the display and controller configurations. So all you need is a USB-C to HDMI dock that can charge the Ally at the same time. When you connect USB-C to HDMI dock with your monitor, then you will be able to connect your ASUS ROG to the monitor. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.